Hello everybody, my name is Diane and I'm a student ambassador here at Cerritos College, and I'll be presenting on how to apply to Cerritos College. First, you'll head to our homepage, www.cerritos.edu, then you'll click the yellow Apply Now button. That will take you to OpenCCC. If you've applied to any community college in California, then you can sign into your account. If not, you'll create a new one. To create an account, you can use your email or phone number. Then you'll enter the verification code that is sent to you either through email or via text. From there, you'll create a profile using a personal email address that you have access to. After that, you'll input your address, date of birth, and name. Once you finish creating the profile, you'll create a password that follows the guidelines listed, so not containing your name, having a lowercase and uppercase, being at least 8 characters in length, and having a special character included in the password. You should receive an email confirming that you have created an OpenCCC account. This isn't a Cerritos College application just yet. Your next step will be to submit an application. On the application, you'll select the term that you're applying for. Fall is from August to December, spring is January to May, and summer is May to August. If you are a Cerritos Complete Promise Program student, you must apply for the summer semester by February. Next, you'll choose an educational goal, so you can choose to either get a certificate, a degree, or just take some classes to enhance some knowledge you already have. Then you'll select a major. You'll notice that our majors have AA, meaning obtaining an associate's degree at Cerritos College, AB, meaning transfer to a CSU, and AC, meaning transfer to a UC. If you're undecided about your major, you can always select the undecided option. Then you'll answer some additional profile questions, such as having a previous legal name and your social security number. If you do have a social security number, you can go ahead and enter that in the box below. If you do not have a social security number or a taxpayer identification number, then check the box that says, "No, I do not have one." Then check the second box if you are undocumented, an international student, or don't have a social security number or taxpayer ID number. Then you will fill out your current mailing address. You can check the box if your permanent address on OpenCCC is the same as your mailing address. Otherwise, you can fill out the information. If your mailing address is outside of the United States, go ahead and click the box that says so. Then the application will ask about your college enrollment status as of a specific date. For this example, the date is August 13th, 2023. It will also ask you for your high school education status as of a specific date. In this example, I received my high school diploma as of August 13th, 2023. Then you'll fill out your current or most recent high school attended and your high school graduation date. Then the application will ask you about the last school you attended. This could be the same high school or a different college. Then you'll need to fill out some high school transcript information, including your unweighted GPA, the highest level English course taken, and the highest level math course taken. Then the application will ask you some questions about citizenship status and military status. Citizens, permanent residents, and refugees must complete residency. Undocumented students should select Other, then check for AB 540 and DREAM Act eligibility. Then the application asks if you or a relative has served or is currently serving in the U.S. military. Then you will be asked a couple of residency questions. If none of the out-of-state activities apply to you, you can leave that question blank. Then you will also get some special residency questions. If none of those apply to you, you can just select no. Then you will get some questions about your needs and interests. We recommend selecting yes to receiving information about financial aid and paying for college. If you are completing the application in admissions and records, you can ask a student ambassador for more information about these programs. Then you'll be asked if you are interested in playing sports either at a collegiate or intramural level. You can also check the boxes next to the programs and services that you are interested in. Then you'll be asked some demographic questions. These questions are optional and are for state and federal reporting purposes only. Then the application will ask you some questions based on your race and ethnicity. You can choose whichever racial or ethnic group you identify with. Then you'll be asked about your parent or guardian's educational level. If you have previously enrolled in Cerritos College, please enter your 7-digit student ID number. If not, you can leave that question blank. We're almost done with the application, but there are a few more supplemental questions. Some questions might be repeat questions, but please answer them to the best of your ability. Then you'll get a question asking if you consent to the college releasing your directory information. You can select yes or no. Then you'll check both boxes confirming that everything on the application is true and accurate. Then you will sign by typing your name in. Then click continue. You can review your application now. If you're completing your application in admissions and records, you can also ask a student ambassador to help you review the application. Then you will check the boxes stating that you know about financial aid programs available to you and that all your information is correct and true. Then you can select if you consent to the college releasing necessary personal information. Then click Submit. So you've just submitted your application to Cerritos College, and you should get a page that looks somewhat like this. You should get a welcome email within 1 to 2 business days. If you do not receive a welcome email with your student ID within 2 business days, please contact our Admissions and Records Office at 562-860-2451 at the extension 2211, or visit their website www.cerritos.edu/admissionsandrecords/. Congratulations! You're now a Cerritos College student. Go Falcons! Now that you're a student, you'll have a couple more steps to complete. You'll need to submit a FAFSA or DREAM Act application. Then you'll complete your self-report tool for your English and math placements. Then your Falcon Edge orientation. So that concludes our presentation on how to apply to Cerritos College. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our Welcome Center via email at welcomecenter@cerritos.edu or via phone number at 562-860-2451 at the extension 2130, or visit us in the admin quad. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you soon!